we're going to
Nepal.
Going to Nepal. Oh. All right.
Kathmandu,
Checked
here we
in. Bags make it to final destination, hopefully. What did you do? Coffee maker. Wait time for the Club ATL lounge is about 45 minutes. You look like a peasant.
Why do I look like a peasant? I'm waiting to get inside that international lounge. Hey, the wasabi.
Oh no, not this again. Kevin loves Porsches. Apparently, it's a 911. Sounds like an emergency. We're traveling a few days after Christmas. They had trees set up for different countries. How are you? What's that one? Nihon.
And they need the katanas hanging there.
Oh, yeah. You know, you can't bring that in an airport. And we've now reached our gate. We don't board for over an hour, but people are already lined up. And finally, it's time to board. This is a Boeing 777. There was plenty of room for our carry-ons on here. The interior was quite the shock though. It was extremely outdated. I will say the seats are very comfortable. I guess on a 15-hour flight, that's what I really care about. Yeah, let me just hook up my fax machine.
You need to do fax. I like English. That's nice.
Vegan lip balm. Earplugs, so I don't have to listen to this guy. Clippers. Sucks.
The game is starting.
This? How did they fit all that in this bag? This is cute though. And this was Kevin's bag. I don't want it that bad. It's okay. It's really okay.
See, I'm also an aircraft engineer. No, that's a credit card reader. Okay.
That's mine though. Yeah. All right, we ended up being about an hour and a half delayed, but we finally make it into the air. Classic plus. Which are you?
I don't want classic plus. I think we go to classic plus.
What do you have? You don't know what this is? This is hummus. This is the chicken Caesar sandwich. It has a chicken. On these first flights, I'll say Turkish Airlines had really good food. This meal was a baked salmon. Even though the food was good, the service was not. I felt like if I asked the flight attendants anything, it was a big bother to them. And they never smiled, which is ironic because Turkish Airlines' loyalty program is called Miles and Smiles. Now it's time for breakfast, which is a little weird because it's about to be nighttime when we land. Enjoy! After over 15 hours, we finally make it.
Dünyanın buluşma noktası İstanbul Havalimanı'na hoş geldiniz. Yolculuğunuzun rahat ve keyifli geçmiş olduğunu umuyoruz.
Ladies and gentlemen and dear children, welcome to Istanbul Airport, meeting point of the world.
Maybe just read the signs. Yeah, compass. Oh, wait, I'll buy you one.
I guess. We're not going to a pod though.
Look, what's that line?
For John, please proceed to gate number C.
That's a really nice outfit there.
Did anybody bring any euros with them?
Get me something that is so perfect with it. Like it's
Yeah. Dang, those are some big sunflower seeds. Whoa, look at this. This is so pretty.
But you don't see that on anything anymore. Oh, look how pretty that is.
Oh, this is.
probably expensive.
Oh, look at the green one.
How
Oh,
much?
it's so pretty.
How much?
229
Euros?
euros.
So how much is a dollar?
It's about the same.
Same
It's a
amount.
little more like.
Okay, that's enough. Finally, we found our way to the lounge. The guy who checked us in was terrible. All the other attendants let people in without any trouble, but he was absolutely insistent on keeping our boarding passes, which is actually a big deal here because they don't give you a mobile version on the app. So it's literally the only copy. Nonetheless, he finally let us in. And I'll say, once we got past that guy, this is the nicest lounge I've been in so far.
That's like drinking cheese.
The food here was very Mediterranean/Middle Eastern. Apologies, as I am looking a little rough after a lot of travel.
We already ate a bunch of this.
Oh, okay.
Eating that pretty good.
Do you know that juice? Now we're gonna walk around and explore. It's a big lounge.
So here, I would say we can walk to the relaxation area. I've seen that one already. That's a nice lounge.
Yeah.
Very nice. Can you try it here?
There's one shower in there.
There we go.
Yeah, I like this.
They're like these cables.
Oh, there's a kids area. That's cool. Playroom for kids. It's very nice. Nice. There's so much seating in here. The M Lounge.
I'm going to the M Lounge today.
Garden area that they're not
Sit
even.
here. It's actually nice.
Yeah, it's much. Wow.
What is the other way?
There's something kind of different at each one too.
Yeah, it's a great lounge they have here.
I kind of like that it's also in the airport. Like, you know, you're not in a room.
Yeah.
Iron number 3. I like this lounge. I like that it's part of the airport.
Really big too.
I usually hate olives, but I actually like these. They taste absolutely nothing like the olives we have in the US. Okay, so it is awkward to show the bathroom, but I hate it when fancy lounges have only regular stalls. Okay, let's go get our free food. Our other free food. Since our flight was delayed, Turkish Airlines gave us a meal voucher that can only be used in the food court.
1 yard is 1 meter is 1.7 yard. 1.07.
So then how far is 40 meters?
Ah.
This is really cute. Kevin! I feel like I'm outside. I feel like this is the New York hotel. Is it closed? They're closed. But so you know next time, oh my gosh, 22 euros? It's cheaper to go to New York and buy one.
Yes, that's extreme.
How do you know what you can get?
Says delays menu or something. Oh, let's go to real estate.
Wow. This is the McD's lounge. They do still have Mario Kart. No. If you ate that, if you were in a gang, would you eat that? If you were in a gang, would you eat that?
Yes. Thank food. Spaghetti bolognese.
They put more in yours. Glad I'm not hungry. We had one more voucher, so we thought we'd try Turkish Subway.
No choice of cheese.
No choice of bread. Other than that, was pretty similar, I'd say.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
You start.
Oh.
I bet that's better than this.
It's turkey for turkey.
Oh, turkey and turkey different?
Reaction?
Subway.
Okay, we had our American food.
Last time for next year, please.
Yep, well, we're gonna go get some Pizza Hut and KFC. The gates in this airport are all individually blocked off, and you have to scan your passport and boarding pass to sit at your gate. Airbus. Okay, so tell us a little bit about our setup here today.
That's the monitor.
Yeah.
That's the charter.
So you have a USB,
Thank you. USB.
but you don't have a fax plug?
No, it's plugged up.
And you have the same thing here.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. It's a little bit less used.
Best drink?
Best drink? According to only you.
Yes. That's only.
At least this plane is a little more modern inside. And we're gonna try to get a little sleep in the air on this shorter flight, a little over 6 hours. I'll say I really do like this turtleneck pillow. I usually can't sleep on planes, but I was able to with this thing. Food was also really good on this flight, and service was way better than the last one. As you can see, our flight path crosses over some troubled airspace to get over to Nepal. And here we have a nice little breakfast sandwich. We definitely flew on an interesting route to avoid risky airspace. Kevin got some milk for his cake. How is it?
Actually, very good cake.
Yeah? And check out our first glimpses of the Himalayas as we're about to land. Over 30 hours later, we make it to Nepal.
That's very funky.
Thanks. Helicopter.
Wow, it's a big airplane for Nepal Airlines. Huh. Big plane.
Baz ışıkları sönünceye kadar lütfen yerinizde kalınız. Kemerinizi bağlı tutun.
Ladies and gentlemen and dear children, we hope that you had a pleasant flight. Open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.
Be sure to subscribe to catch the rest of our adventure as we spend time in Kathmandu as well as other regions like the mountains, jungles, and villages.